Fantastic. My name's Amber. This is Christina. This is Last Dance Gulch, second week of our Charleston fun class, and we're getting in and out of tandem Charleston. So we're going to start in open position doing a pole step jitterbug, and I'm going to start out super slow, and then we're going to do a little bit moderate pace, and then we're going to go a little bit faster. Okay? So we'll break it down really slowly, and we're going to go step, step, a rock step. Just get comfortable with some basic pole step jitterbug here. And then I am going to do kind of an outside turn to my left around the waist. I'm going to tuck my right arm in, and then as I bring it down, I'm going to take my right hand and shake her right hand as well into cross-handed position. 1, 2. And so we should end up here, okay? So what I'm going to do is then I'm going to really wind up with my right hand, her right hand. Instead of just catching in basic here, I'm going to catch with a wind up. Okay, do it one more time, slow motion. Step, step, rock, step, step, step. And I'm going to kind of, at this point, just kind of wind her up. Notice I've kind of rotated my body to my left. And then I'm going to pull Christina to my right. And she's going to land on her right foot. And then we're both going to step backwards together on our left to start tandem Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. Okay, slow motion, a little bit faster maybe. We're going to go step, step, or rock, step, 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 wind, pull, and tandem. Okay, at this point, we got to get out of it. So I'm going to do a tuck turn. Okay, I'm going to aim it this way. So we're going to do some, let's do a basic tandem. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At this point on 1, I brace my left leg as I kind of rotate her to my right. And then I'm going to bring her back to my left. And with this hand, which is my right hand, I'm going to kind of make some connection with the palm of her hand and give her a push turn. And we're going to catch back and open. And then go back into jitterbug. Do it again from the top. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Step, step. Let's do it from a different angle. Wind up, pull up, hand up. Tuck turn, tuck, tuck, push, catch, and back to East Coast swing. Let's do it a little faster. Hand up. Tuck. Ha. All right, that's your tutorial, week 2.